Turning on or off camera access on the Galaxy S24 allows you to control whether apps can use the camera, enhancing privacy when needed. To get started, tap the Home button to return to the home screen. Next, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. From here, tap on the Settings icon to access the Settings menu. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Scroll further down to the Privacy section and tap on Additional Privacy Controls. Here you'll see a toggle labeled Camera Access. Tap this toggle to turn off camera access. When you switch this off, all apps will be restricted from using the camera. Apps may still function, but instead of capturing video or images, they'll display a black screen. If you open your camera while access is disabled, a message will appear prompting you to turn on camera access. You can tap the Turn On button directly from this message to re-enable it, and that's it. Now you know how to manage camera access on your Galaxy S24. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.